Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authorize with Geico for billing and policy documents. Quick tutorial step by step clearly. To authorize with Geico for billing and policy documents, start by visiting the Geico website. Locate the sign in option at the top right corner of the homepage. Click on sign in to access your account. If you don't have an account, select the register option to create one. Fill in your personal information as prompted, including your policy number and zip code. Follow the instructions to create a username and password. Once logged in, navigate to the Account Services section. Look for the option labeled Billing and Payments. Click on that option to access your billing preferences. In this section, you will find the option to authorize for electronic delivery of policy documents. Select the option to receive documents electronically. Review the terms and conditions regarding electronic delivery. If you agree, check the box indicating your acceptance of the terms. Next, provide your email address where you want to receive the notifications. Confirm your email address to ensure accuracy. After entering your email, click on the Submit button to finalize the authorization. You should receive a confirmation email shortly after completing the process. Make sure to check your inbox, including your spam folder, for the confirmation. Once authorized, you'll receive policy documents and billing statements electronically. This makes managing your insurance much more convenient. For any issues, you can contact Geico customer support for assistance. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.